Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Gala video update today. It's been a while I haven't talked about Gala, and back in the days when the last time I was making Gala video updates, I gave you a technical target here. I gave you a little bit of this trend line right over there that you could potentially be looking at this one touch, second touch, extend the trend line, and you're looking for maybe another touch of this trend line. But right now, the prices are so far away from me for me to even say that you're looking for any move to the downside. So I want to observe the daily time frame and the RSI as well. So I'm gonna go into the RSI, and yeah, so here we go. The RSI. I've talked about the RSI before, and I've talked about that this has always been an amazing place to buy Gala historically. Right now, wherever you're sitting at a place that screams buy me. Okay, that's where Gala has always been amazing to buy. So you're looking for a touch here, move up, touch there, move up, touch here, move up, a touch right there, move all the way up, and then you have this almost double bottom that is looking to be really bought to the upside. So if things go amazingly well, then I do expect Gala to make a very big move right over here. So we could potentially be looking at a very big move right over there, and you have one touch, second touch, third touch, and then you go up all the way here, you make another touch, and eventually even try to break it, and then you have even more bigger targets coming in for Gala as well. So let's go on the weekly. And what's up? 1 day, 12 hours here to close, and you're almost nearly closing this candlestick right here. But it's actually a very positive closing because number one, you did have a flag right there, and I do believe you have met the technical target of the bear flag as well on the weekly time frame. And now you're looking to put in a red candle, and next to it is a green candle. These two combined are known as bullish harami candlesticks. So let's see on the weekly, if you're putting in these two candles, next week you might start to get a little bit of that relief push to the upside. So I could actually expect this one to move all the way back up here to this like a 23% move, in my opinion, can actually happen. It's very realistic that you get a move up because people might have, in my opinion, have their stop losses set right over here. It's even possible that you take this stop loss and you try to go back up, and you take it and you try to go even all the way to move to the upside. But if Gala actually ever breaks this above and retest, that would be incredibly awesome for the future. But if I look at Gala, man, oh man, just look at this. Look at all that bloodbath right now. I don't know if there's any possibility of moving even lower, but let me give you one idea that, let's say you're not pumping anytime soon and you go down. You do have a very big level here, so you don't want to lose this, you don't want to come down, you don't want to backtest and fail and go down. Okay, so all you want to do is, if you're going to be coming down here, you have to hold this and try to go back up, because this is going to be a very big, huge double bottom on the weekly, and this double bottom can offer such an amazing move to the upside. Let's look what the monthly looks like as well, because it's important. Now, thank goodness we don't have any 3 black rows right over here, but if you end up in the next 13 days, 12 hours, coming up near the technical target of 2713, 2720, and you're sitting at 2356, so it's actually possible to go from 2356 to 2700, right? You can do that. Which means that if you end up doing that, you're going to be making in a almost like a dragonfly doji, and that's actually bullish. And on the monthly, you can have a reversal candlestick, and the next month of July, make a move up and close green like this, and then you make a nice, good, huge, big morning star, and then you start to take over, and maybe, just maybe, who knows, this is your bottom. Who knows, right? So that's it for this update on what is it again, Gala, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.